Best home remedy for common colds, cough and sore throat. Welcome to our Healthy Lifestyle channel. Here you will find different videos offering fun facts, tips and suggestions how to live a healthier and a happier life using natural methods and remedies. During the winter, people often have coughs and colds due to the cold weather. If left untreated, we'll have a sore throat. We will have a fever that will cause us to not be able to get out of our bed because our bodies are already sore. We can no longer go to work and do our daily routine. We do not want such a scenario, so we have the most effective tips for you on how to quickly recover from the onset of cough and colds. These remedies might help you feel better. It is easy to do and we can only get in our kitchen. We will show you how. Just drink a ginger tea. At this time, fill a medium pot with 2 cups of water. Place the ginger slices in the water and let boil gently for 10 to 20 minutes, depending on how strong and spicy you like your tea. Remove from heat. Take a cup and pour the ginger tea. Add honey and lemon juice to improve the taste and further soothe the cough. Allow to steep for a few minutes before drinking. Drink 3 times a day until you feel better. This is beneficial for both sore throats and cough and helps in drying running and dripping nose, thus expelling phlegm from the respiratory tract. If you like our video so far, press the like button to let us know, and please subscribe to our channel to be updated with our new healthy lifestyle videos. Ginger is rich in anti-inflammatory properties along with properties that help increase the body's immunity. The anti-inflammatory properties help in relieving the pain during sore throats and being a spicy, pungent herb. It is also providing heat that the body requires at this point. Ginger also works antioxidant and helps the body in releasing toxins, which further results in the removal of the infection and flu. Some of the vitamins found in honey include ascorbic acid, pantothenic acid, niacin and riboflavin, along with minerals such as calcium, copper, iron, magnesium, manganese, phosphorus, potassium and zinc. The vitamin C present in lemon, aside from that, it also contains vitamins B5, B6, B1 and B2, as well as calcium, copper, iron and potassium, works as an active agent in the removal of mucus and provides relief and pain. The powerful ingredients help to speed healing and eliminate the underlying infections. So, if you suffer from a cold, bad throat or have a cough, these ginger remedies can help you feel better and speed up the recovery process. Watch our other healthy lifestyle videos below and find out 6 simple tips in keeping your prostate healthy. Feel free to share our videos with other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. Visit our website healthylifestyle.com for more ideas. Also, we would like to invite you to join our online seminars to learn more about health and wellness. Choose your date in the description below. Until next time, and remember, a healthy life is a happy life. Until next time.